Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Yvette. This is Cooking with Yvette. In today's video I will be cooking some peas and rice. This is pigeon peas, rice. Okay, I have 2 cans of pigeon peas, 1 can of milk. I have some complete seasoning salt, pinch of sugar, cayenne pepper, ketchup, bell pepper, tomato, onion and scallion, and garlic. Alright, along with the rice. Alright, to get started with this video, first I will fry up my tomato. Alright, I will fry up my tomato with the garlic, some onion and some scallion. Alright, I'm going to stir it right here. Then I'm going to add the rice. And before I add the rice, I will add the pigeon peas. Alright? So I will go ahead and add the bell pepper. Alright? So I'm going to add the pigeon peas. Let it start for 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add the rice. It's delicious. That is okay. So now I'm going to add the rice. Let's fry it up for like 2 minutes. And then I'm going to let this fry for another 2 minutes and then add the coconut milk. I'm going to add the milk. Now I'm going to add the same amount of milk, which is 1 can of water, into this. Alright, if you want you can add more milk, your choice, coconut milk. Alright, I'm going to add the season up this rice, and I'm going to cover this down, and just in case if it need any more water, I'm going to add half of a can more. That is my measurement. Let me add the complete seasoning. The sugar, always remember, it's optional. Seasoning salt, the taste, ketchup, that is optional also. Some cayenne pepper, not too much. I will be listing all the ingredients in the description bar below. And I'm gonna add the salt if it need any more salt a little later on, because this complete seasoning and the seasoned salt is already salt already. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is cover this down and let it cook on medium heat. So what I did is add one more can of water into this rice. All right, so in order, in along is 13.5 ounces of the water, which is 400 grams, and 1 can of the milk, so it's 3. Okay, and the rice is 32 ounces, which is 2 pints. I mean, if you are cooking less rice, but then you don't know, well, it's less liquid you will have to use. All right, so I'm going to cover this down and let it do its thing. Don't go nowhere, stay until it ends. Okay, and for those who have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to the channel, and in order for you to know whenever I post, please press the bell so that you will be notified whenever I post. All right, and as I mentioned in a previous video, I'm not able to see any comments when it comes in. I don't know what YouTube is doing. And I'm getting the amount of viewers that I used to get. I don't know what is it. If there's anyone that normally looks at my video that also have a YouTube channel, if they can able to explain that to me, I would really appreciate it. Why is it that I'm not able to see my comments? Only if when I go into the comments box, but it's not showing up like that. Or if I post any video, I'm not able to see it unless I go into my page of itself. All right, so I would really appreciate if somebody can say something to me or something of that sort. Thank you again. All right, stay tuned. See this? Ooh. Started to stick, so I'm turning it down very low and let it steam. Okay, we still have a little bit more water in it and it still got some grain. All right, so just in case if it's anything, I might just put like a little bit more water and let it steam. Some butter, 2 tablespoons, and let it steam in this rice. All right, I'm gonna stir it in, and I must let you know that I had to add some more liquid because to me it still wants a little bit more cooking, and I don't like to taste the rice kind of a little raw, so still have like a grain. So I just add half a cup of water so that it could continue cooking. All right, but look at it, what a nice. You will see that. Stay tuned. So this is it, what it looks like when finished, guys. Ooh, nice and loosey. See? You don't want it to be soft and mushy. You want it nice and loosey. So this is it. Alright, pigeon peas rice. This can serve with anything of your choice: chicken, fish, pork, beef, anything of your choice, or it can eat just like this. Alright, yes guys, this is some ketchup, pepper sauce, and here you have it. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and give this video a thumbs up, guys. Pigeon peas rice. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.